Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two IT management platform, which is Atera and Lansweeper. So to get started, Atera stands out in 2025 as a powerful all-in-one IT management solution built for MSPs and internal IT teams. It offers remote monitoring, patch management, help desk ticketing, automation, and integrated remote access, all accessible from the cloud with flat rate pricing. Atera's strength lies in its simplicity and its scalability, allowing teams to monitor and manage multiple devices without overwhelming complexity. Its AI-driven insight and a proactive alert make it especially useful to learn IT teams aiming to do more with less. So, talking about Lansweeper, on the other hand, excel as a dedicated IT asset discovery and inventory tools. It provides deep insight into how connected device on a network, scanning and cataloging hardware, software and user with incredible details. While it doesn't include a native help desk or remote access tools like Atera, Lansweeper integrates well with other platforms and its ideas for organization focused on compliance, feasibility, and asset management at scale. And here's a better conclusion about the two platforms. Choose Atera if you need a complete IT management suite with support, automation, and remote access. And go with Lansweeper on the other hand if your priority is robust asset discovery and inventory with a triangular control. For some teams, integrating both could provide the best of both worlds. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.